In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Facebook font style when you are trying to create a new post. So as you can see, I'm trying to create a new post and I want to change this status font style. All you have to need, first of all, you have to copy your text from your new post. Once you successfully copied, now you have to go to your browser. You can use any browser. In browser, search for stylish font generator. Search for it and open any of the website from this list. Now in this field we have to paste our copied text from Facebook, and once you successfully paste it, just scroll down and in here you will find lots of generated stylish fonts for the caption. You can select any stylish font. So in my case, I'm selecting this font, for example. Just tap on the font and the font will be copied. Now go back to your Facebook and replace your old text with new stylish text. Tap on done. Now just tap on post, and this is how we can actually change our Facebook font style. Thanks for watching.